In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Monday.com. Whether you're managing projects, organizing tasks, or collaborating with a team, having a dedicated workspace can greatly enhance your productivity and keep everything neatly organized. So, let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your Monday.com interface. Here, you'll see a list of your current workspaces and other navigational options. Look for the name of your current workspace. Once you've found it, give it a click. This action will open up a drop-down menu, and it's your entry point to building a new workspace. When the drop-down appears, search for the option that says Add Workspace. It's pretty straightforward and should be listed right there. When you click on Add Workspace, you're starting the process of setting up a fresh space where you can tailor projects and workflows to your specific needs. Next, you'll be prompted to name your new workspace. Take a moment to think it over. A clear and descriptive name can make it easier for you and your team to navigate and find the relevant space for specific tasks or projects. Once you've settled on a fitting name, you will also decide on the board privacy type. Monday.com provides some flexibility here, allowing you to choose the privacy level that best suits the requirements of your workspace. This could be an open board for everyone, or perhaps something more restricted, depending on the sensitivity of the information or the scope of the team that will be using the workspace. After making your selection, the final step is quite simple. Look for the button labeled Add Workspace. Go ahead and click on that, and voila! Your workspace is ready to go. This new workspace is now available for you to start customizing, adding boards, and inviting team members as needed. Creating a new workspace is a foundational step towards better organization and clearer workflows, especially when you're dealing with multiple projects or varied teams. Monday.com's intuitive interface makes this process efficient and easy, helping you focus more on the work that matters without the hassle of complicated setup processes. And just like that, you've successfully created a new workspace in Monday.com. With your workspace setup, you're ready to dive into detailed project management and streamlined communication with your team. Remember, organizing your tasks well at the start sets the stage for greater efficiency and success down the line. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been both clear and useful for you. See you in the next video.